LG's V-series smartphones are traditionally very savvy in the multimedia arena. The V30 is no exception, and it ups the ante compared to previous devices in the line. When it comes to watching movies, LG has never made a better phone to view them on. The 2K OLED display pops with vibrance, even going as far as being HDR ready for apps like Netflix and YouTube HDR at launch. This means that the colors will be richer and the overall contrast will offer more levels of depth than a traditional display is capable of. Even if you aren't watching HDR content, you'll still have a good experience here. Viewing angles and brightness are all adequate for viewing both indoors and out. For gaming, the V30 is one of the year's best places to get down to business. Thanks in equal part to its beautiful 6-inch OLED display, the quad DAC built into the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the powerful Snapdragon 835 processor, playing any game whatsoever is a breeze from a performance perspective and a generally good time. As of right now, the taller aspect ratio doesn't work seamlessly with most games. However, LG has inserted a few toggles that appear in the corner of the screen to give you more than enough viewing modes to have the best experience. Fire Emblem Heroes, for instance, doesn't take full advantage of the 18:9 aspect ratio, but if stretched, it will fill in the bezels with a slick design.